Well, here we go. Well, here we are. Second day. We're on this journey again. Good night's sleep. Ready to hit the road. Heading for another 6.5, 7 hours to our next stop. Next day. And then it's off to one of our destinations. What's the name of the place?
I can tell you. No, I can tell you the name of it. No, it's not on here. It's
5 seconds, Bob. What is your name?
I can't remember the exact name, but it's something Point.
There you go. South Point.
No! It's
All
in
right.
my bag if you want me to get it.
That's all right. All right, guys. Till next time. Bye.
That's pretty crazy. I don't know the exact name of the place.
Update. Point View Resorts is where we're heading to. We're outside of Dunlop in Tennessee. 111's out here. We just thought we'd pull over a little bit, did a little drone shot. Can't see it for the trees, but I took it up there. You'll see it.